The C and B flat pads of the oboe stay closed after you play, trapping harmful moisture against the pads. When the bridge key arm is lifted, both the C and B flat pads open to air dry clean. Key leaves oboe props use this natural principle. Slide the prop under the bridge key arm and loop the ring around the tenon cork. Don't worry, this is gentle enough for any oboe cork. You know it is enough when the C and B flat pads are left open to air dry clean. If your bridge key arm needs to open more, simply flex the rubber prop into an arch for more prop height. You can also use key leaves oboe props with your tenon cap. Simply slide the ring over your cap and use as shown before. Next, you'll need to use your key leaves oboe prop loop on the upper joint trill keys. Loop the prop on the largest setting for 2-layer prop height, or shorten the loop to achieve a 3-layer prop height. I'll show you how this is done. Using the longest hole setting, simply slide the loop between the second octave key arm and the trill key arms. This gently opens the trill key pads to air dry clean. On oboes with tall key height, you can shorten the loop setting to achieve 3 layers of propping height. Some players prefer to turn the loop inside out, as shown here. Either way, you can safely open your trill pads to dry clean. Key leaves oboe props are safe to use inside the case. If you have any other questions about using your key leaves oboe key props, please contact us directly at keyleaves.com/contact.